we're gonna recreate the solar system from memory. So there, we are gonna start with the sun. There, star, ma'am. Now we need to name this sun. Okay. Now let's do Mercury. It's like this far away. One planet. Let's make it very small. Like the radius should be like, I don't know, like 1,000 kilometers. I don't really understand. I wish it was in miles. What? Whoa, it's so small it's glitching out. What? I don't know. I don't really like that. Like inclined a little. Its orbit. Okay, no, okay, I think that's a little too, that's like that. It wasn't inclined enough. There's maps for the planets, but I'm not going to use them because it's cheating. I have these other ones over here. Also, these, yeah, I also can't use that. I can use this, though. Mountainous. Now let's name it Mercury. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, so let's add that. Where's atmosphere there? Okay, let's make it very thin. Okay, the altitude should only be like that. Okay, there. That's Mercury. Now let's do Venus. Okay, this is also, what's the radius, like 5,000 kilometers? Okay, that's the best we're gonna get. It's also inclined, little. Okay, not that much though. Like that. Okay. Launch. Venus. Okay. There. Has very thick atmosphere, so gonna want to do that. And we have desert. Okay, atmosphere. Okay, let's make that very thick. How hot is it? This is not hot enough. Okay, okay, let's just not worry about that. Actually, the atmosphere is like it's like yellowish. Not like very yellow. Like that yellow. Okay, it's more than one. It's 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's do Earth. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be a little bit hard. Let's make it smaller. The radius is like 6,000 kilometers. Okay, I don't know why. Okay. There. Okay. There. Okay, 1 Earth. There, the mass is 1 Earth. Okay, let's add some water. I don't know why it's a water world. Just ignore that. Just pretend there's land on it. Okay, this is too cold. This is only 36 degrees. Okay, this is more than 1,000 degrees. I made it worse. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, oh my god. Okay, this is now. This is good. Okay, I don't know why it's a water world. Earth. Okay, Earth has a moon. Let's do the moon. Okay. Okay. It's so big. It should only be like this big. Orbit. Earth. Orbit Earth. Okay, and it's like in like kind of like this. Kind of like that. It's also inclined, I think. I think it's inclined. Like, no. There. This will be called moon. There. Moon. Actually, have to add city lights to Earth. There. I don't know where they are. Oh no, there's no land. Let's ignore that. Pretend that. Okay. Now let's do Mars. Mars has 2 moons called Phobos and Deimos. Okay. That's really big. Okay, I don't know why everything looks like that. Let's not worry about that. Okay. I don't think it's inclined. I think this is okay. Okay, let's name it Mars. Okay. Now Mars looks like kind of like this. Yeah, but let's take off the lights because Mars, it doesn't have any life. So now do Phobos and Deimos. Okay, that's a little bit too big. Orbit. There. That's also a little bit too big. I think it's big. Now this will be called Phobos. Now let's do Deimos. Okay. That's a little bit too big. Let's make that smaller. Okay, I didn't mean to do. Okay. A little bit like that's the closest we're gonna get. Let's name this Deimos. Okay, there. Now let's see. Are they stable? Yeah, perfectly stable. Okay. Okay. We'll do a part 2 to this video. That's all for now. We will do a part 2 and bye-bye.